here the given problem is, in a flower garden there are 23 plants in the first row, 21 plants in the second row and 19 plants in the third row and so on. If there are 10 rows in that garden, then find the total number of plants in the last row. That one asked. So last row means that is nothing but 10th row. In the 10th row, how many plants are planted? So first we writing the given information. So in a flower garden, first row, number of plants, that is nothing but A1, that equal to 23. In that second row, number of plants A2 is equal to 21, and in that third row, number of plants A3 equal to 19, and so on. This model given. That means now the 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. In the 10th row, how many are there? That is the question. And here given in the garden, number of rows, that is nothing but n equal to 10. That is the information given. Now here if we observe, here the common 2 will be less the plants. So here the given information is in the form of arithmetic progression. So now we find the common difference. D is equal to A2 minus A1, that equal to 21 minus 23, that is nothing but minus 2. If we find the difference between the next two terms, that is the third and the second term, there also we get minus 2. 19 minus 21 equal to minus 2. So the given information is in arithmetic progression. So now in that last row, how many plants are planted? That one we want to find. So an is equal to, the general form is a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a equal to 23 and n is equal to 10 minus 1 into d equal to minus 2. So 23 plus 9 minus 10 minus 1 equal to 9 into minus 2. 9 into minus 2 is nothing but minus 18. So 23 minus 18, that is equal to 5. So in that 10th row, how many plants are planted? 5 plants. So in the last 10th row, number of plants in the garden equal to 5. Here the given problem is, find the value of k so that k plus 2, 4k minus 6 and 3k minus 2 are the 3 consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progressions to the 3 terms given, k plus 2, 4k minus 6 and 3k minus 2. Then we have to find the k value. So here given in an AP arithmetic progression, the first term is k plus 2, second term A2 is equal to 4k minus 6 and the third term A3 is equal to 3k minus 2. That is the information given. Now from this we want to find the k value. So for finding k value, here we know in arithmetic progression, for every 2 consecutive terms, difference is common difference and that is equal. So now the common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1 otherwise that is equal to a3 minus a2. So now equalizing this principle to we get the value of k. So a2 is 4k minus 6 minus of a1, that is nothing but k plus 2 is equal to a3 value 3k minus 2 minus of a2 value 4k minus 6. Now first simplifying this LHS. So minus of k plus 2, that is nothing but minus k minus 2. So 4k minus 6 minus k minus 2. So 4k minus k is 3k minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8. Now here RHS if we observe means minus of 4k minus 6 there, that means minus 4k plus 6. So 3k minus 2 minus 4k plus 6. So 3k minus 4k is minus k minus 2 plus 6, that is plus 4. Now this minus k transfer to LHS, that is plus k. So 3k plus k, that is nothing but 4k, and this minus 8 transfer to RHS, that is plus 8. 4 plus 8, that equal to 12. So 4k equal to 12, then k equal to 12 by 4. So 4 ones 4 threes 12. So the k value is nothing but 3. Given the problem is, if 7 times of 7th term of an AP is equal to 11 times of 11th term of it, then find the 18th term of AP. That is the problem given. So here term values not given, direct terms given. So here in an AP 7th term, A7 equal to, we can write by that general formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D2, A7 is equal to A plus 6D, and the 11th term A11 is equal to A plus 10D. Now our to given 7 times of 7th term to 11 times of 11th terms equal, that is given in the problem. So by the given problem, now we can write 7 into 7, A7 is equal to 11 into A11. So 7th times of 7th term is equal to 11th times of 11th term. So 7 into A7 is nothing but A plus 6D, and is 11 into A plus 10D to equal. Now this 7 is multiplied with A plus 6D, that is nothing but 7A plus 7 6 42. So 7A plus 42D, that is LHS. Now RHS if we observe means 11 into A plus of 10D. So 11 into A, 11A plus 11 into 10, 110D. Now these LHS values are transferred to RHS, that is 11A minus 7A plus 110D minus 42D, that is equal to 0. So 11A minus 7A, that is nothing but 4A plus 110D minus 42D, that is nothing but 110 to 42 we want to subtract. So by that subtraction we get 110 minus 42, that is 68D is equal to 0. Now here 4A plus 68D equal to 0. Now we get, now 4A means we can write 4 into A, 68D means we can write 4 into 17d. That means in this both 4 is the common number. That 4 common taken means 4 into a plus 17d equal to 0. Now this multiplication for transfer to this side, that is division. So a plus 17d is equal to 0 by 4 is nothing but 0. Now a plus 17d, that is nothing but the 18th term of arithmetic progression. So a 18, that equal to 0. Our to ask to find the 18th term of AP. So 18th term of AP is 0. Therefore the 18th term of this AP is 0. Given the problem, measures of sides of a triangle are in an arithmetic progression. Its perimeter is 30 centimeters and the difference between the longest and the shortest side is 4 centimeters. Then find the measures of the sides. So we have to find the 3 sides of a triangle. So finding that one purpose, first if we observed an arithmetic progression, so the arithmetic progression is like 10, 14, 18 and so on. Now here these arithmetic progression to before terms we have a chance to write or not once we observe it. Now here if we observe, when we said it is an arithmetic progression, the given series, when the common difference between the consecutive two terms is same. Now here if we observe, the consecutive two terms difference is nothing but 4, and here the next two terms consecutive difference is also 4. That model, now here the before term we have a chance to say means that is nothing but 6. Why? Because 10 minus 6, that is equal to 4, and the before term, that before term also we have a chance to say, that is 2. So here also 6 minus 2, that equal to 4. So here the common difference is same. So now before terms we have a chance to say same. That model, generally the arithmetic progression we taking as a plus d, a plus 2d and so on. Similarly in this small only before term we have to write, that is nothing but a plus d to d subtracted, then only we get a, that means a minus d. Okay, so a minus of a minus d, so a gets cancelled and the common difference d is the remain one. So that model now we taking and solving the problem. So now we fill the 3 sides of the arithmetic progression, so are a minus d, a and a plus d. So let the 3 sides of triangle are a minus d, a plus d. Now our to given, its perimeter is 30 centimeters. So perimeter of a triangle is nothing but sum of the sides. So given perimeter of the triangle is 30 centimeters. That means sum of the 3 sides do a minus d plus a plus a plus d is equal to 30. Now a plus a, that is 3a, and minus d plus d gets cancelled. So 3a equal to 30. Now 3 is a to multiplication doing, transfers to that side, that is division. So 30 by 3, 30 by 3 is nothing but 10. So A equal to 10 we get. Now our to given another information, the distance between the longest and shortest side difference is 4 centimeters given. So difference between longest and shortest side is 4 centimeters. So now in that 3 sides, A minus D, A plus D, what is the longest side means that is nothing but A plus D, and the shortest side is A minus D. Their subtraction, A plus D minus of A minus D is equal to 4. Now minus is multiplying with A minus D, that is nothing but minus A plus D. So A plus D minus A plus D equal to 4. Now in that LHS, if we observe A minus A gets cancelled, D plus D 2D is equal to 4. Now multiplication to transferring to that side, that is division, that is 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2 only. So the D is equal to 2. So the common difference is 2 and A value is 10. Now these two values substituting the sides of the triangle. So therefore sides of triangle are A minus D, A plus D, that equal to 10 minus 2 and 10 and 10 plus 2, that are nothing but 10 minus 2 8, 10 and 10 plus 2 is 12. So the consequent three numbers 8, 10, 12 are the three sides of the given triangle. Given problem, the sum of the three terms which are in an arithmetic progression is 33. If the product of the first and the third terms exceeds the second term by 29, then find the arithmetic progression. So here the three terms are not given, we have to only find. So we have to observe this one as before problem model. If we feel, let the three terms of an APR arithmetic progression are taking as A minus D, A plus D. Now sum of the terms is 33 given. So given sum of the terms equal to 33. So A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 33. So A plus A, that is nothing but 3A and D minus D gets cancelled, that equal to 33. Now 3A equal to 33, then 3 multiplication 1 transferred means that is division, 33 by 3, that is equal to 11. So A value is nothing but 11, and here given the product of first and the third terms exceeds the second term by 29. So by given problem, we can write the first and third terms difference. A minus D is the first term and the third term A plus D difference is exceeds second term by 29, that is equal to A plus 29. So A minus D into A plus D, it is nothing but in the form of A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B equal to A square minus B square. So now we can write A square minus D square is equal to A plus 29. So here already we know a equal to 11. So that one substituted here, that is 11 square minus d square is equal to 11 plus 29. So 11 plus 29, that is nothing but 40, and 11 square equal to 121 minus d square. So plus 40 transfers to this side, that is minus 40. 121 minus 40 is equal to minus d square transfers, that is plus d square. So 121 minus 40, that is nothing but 81. 81 is equal to d square. Then d is equal to under root 81, that equal to plus or minus 9. So the common difference we will take as plus or minus 9. So if we taken plus 9, otherwise minus 9, what happened? We observe it. Therefore the three terms of the AP or arithmetic progression are a minus d, a plus d, that equal to, now if we taken d equal to plus 9, so a equal to 11 minus 9 and 11 plus 9, that equal to 11 minus 9 is nothing but 2. Next 11 plus 9 equal to 20. If we taken minus 9, 11 minus half minus 9, 11 plus half minus 9. So minus half minus 9 is nothing but plus 9. So 11 plus 9 equal to 20. So plus half minus 9 is minus 9. So 11 minus 9 equal to 2. Same values 2, 11, 20, otherwise 20, 11, 2. Same values only came. So here our task to find the arithmetic progression. Therefore the arithmetic progression is 2, 11, 20 and so on. Otherwise we can write 20, 11, 2 below, so on.